Dohadjith da on and hagol. Good afternoon, one and all. Lannwedhenek hasolemnita an Gorsedh agus dinech. Welcome to Padstow and the Gorsedh ceremony. We're very pleased that you're joining us today, whether here in person or through the live stream from wherever you may be in the world. In ancient Celtic times, bards were honoured for their scholarship in poetry, literature, art, music, history and folklore. In them rested the traditions and history of the people. Gorsedh Bear Cerno, or the Gathering of the Bards of Cornwall, was inaugurated in 1928 and is allied to those of Wales and Brittany. It exists to maintain the Celtic spirit of Cornwall and give expression to such spirit through the study of Cornish history and the Cornish language, fostering Cornish culture, art, music, dance and sport, linking with other Celtic countries and promoting peace and cooperation among those who work for the honour of Cornwall. All members of Gorsedh Cerno are bards and they wear blue robes. The ceremony is conducted in Cernoic, the Cornish language. It begins with a procession of bards to the circle, where at the entrance the Federation of Old Cornwall Societies and other Cornish societies will form a guard of honour. Now the procession is quite long and quite complicated, but these are the people that you'll see during the procession. It's headed up by the marshal and the piper. The Gorsedh banner follows and precedes the Padstow Civic Party and other invited guests. Next comes the Gorsedh Cerno Choir, and then the bare-headed initiates. These are people that will be made bards today, and you can recognise them because as they come into the circle, they will not be wearing a headdress like the one I'm wearing at the moment. That will be placed on their head as part of the ceremony as they become a bard. After the initiates, there are the Bards of Cornwall, then the banner of St. Piran, and then Gorsedh council members. Then there's the Eisteddfos banner, the Mistress of the Robes, the Herald Bard, the Chanter, the Chaplain, and the Horner. Then come the dancers and the Lady of Cornwall and her attendants. Then there's past Deputy Grand Bards, past Grand Bards, the Gorsedh Secretary and the Gorsedh Treasurer. Then there's a page carrying a Breton banner and delegates from the Breton Gorsedh, followed by a page carrying a Welsh banner and delegates from the Welsh Gorsedh. Then come two half swords, which will be joined during the ceremony, and then the Deputy Grand Bard and the sword bearer, who precedes finally the Grand Bard. Bringing up the rear are the Junior Marshal and the Deputy Senior Steward and Old Cornish banners. There'll be a test on that later. What happens during the ceremony? Well, the ceremony begins with the sounding of corn glaz, that's a horn, to the four corners, points of the compass, and that will call everyone to hear the call of the Gorsedh. That's followed by the cry of peace, and you'll hear the bards, the Grand Bard, say three times, Ers Cres, that's is there peace? And the bards in unison will reply, Cres, peace. Next, the swords that I mentioned will be joined, symbolising the uniting of the three Celtic nations, Cornwall, Wales and Brittany. Dancers then perform a traditional dance before the Lady of Cornwall presents an offering of the fruits of the earth to the Grand Bard on behalf of the people of Cornwall. A very important and solemn part of the ceremony follows that, when we remember those bards who have passed away during the year. New bards who are being recognised for their service to Cornwall in different ways are then initiated by the Grand Bard, and then we will hear for the first time the bardic name that they have chosen. Delegates from Wales and Brittany then bring greetings from the other Gorsedhs, and they usually speak in their own language, Breton or Welsh. The bards then all move forwards to swear fealty to Cornwall as a Celtic nation, and each places a hand on the shoulder of another bard such that they are all in contact with the sword. Everybody sings Bro Gorsedh and Tazo before returning to their seats, and the ceremony finishes as it began with the cry of peace to close the Gorsedh. The Grand Bard will then lead the procession from the circle. Dylwatin hwyara omlon hen huavos kenerg brintin ma in Lannwedhenek. We hope you'll all enjoy this wonderful Cornish event here in Padstow. Muras dhu thank you.
That's all right. Hello. Belinda here? Yeah. Oh. Life's a bit.
Are they M&Ms?
No, they're sugar-free actually.
Oh, right.
Mentos. Something to choose. Oh, Lord.
Right.
Well, we better praise them.
They haven't done any trumpeting, have they? No, don't ask anybody.
Chairs.
Do
Oh, I
whatever
see they've run out of chairs.
New rows of chairs. Just mouth it if you don't know them. Well, I didn't know the control doesn't work. We did. That's it. Then they argue about
Have we run out of chairs or something? Well, they're all behind. No. Well, they're down behind the invited guest.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Far too hot.
You know we should have.
Hajeth da, ha dina, the Lannwedhenek. And for those of you here, like me, who do not speak Cornish, this is, I've been taught, translates into good afternoon and welcome to Padstow. I think I should leave speaking in Cornish to those who know the proper pronunciation of the language. Grandbard, past grandbards, deputy grandbard, bards, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'd just like to say how honoured and proud I am to welcome the Gorsedh to Padstow for their ceremony for 2023. It has been over 70 years since the Gorsedh ceremony was last held in Padstow, so there will not be a large number of people present that witnessed the event. The last time it was held here in Padstow, the ceremony took place in a field out through Trigtroll, overlooking the estuary at a place known as the Devil's Barrow. I think you will all agree that holding the ceremony in the grounds of Prideaux Place, in the sunshine, with a house and gardens as a backdrop, is as equally picturesque. Of course, being in Padstow and celebrating the tradition of the Gorsedh, we cannot forget the tradition Padstow is famous for across the world, that being the Obios, which is warmly welcomed to dance within the grounds of this fantastic house every year, accompanied by a band of musicians and followers. I'd like to mention a couple of people to whom having the Gorsedh in Padstow this year must be even more exciting, as it is their hometown. These being Becky Green, who last night received an award for her services to the community for her hard work running her traditional music group. And on top of that, her daughter Bethany is the Lady of Cornwall in today's ceremony. Also, Jenny Bear, who you will all see later becoming a bard, so congratulations to both of you, and very well done from the whole community of Padstow. Finally, there are a couple of thank yous. I'd like to say to a couple of people that if it was not for their hard work, this event would not have come together as it has. Firstly, I would like to thank Tracy Tristane from Padstow Town Council, who has worked tirelessly with regards to emails, phone calls, and who has really been the driving force for nearly everything from the Padstow end of the Gorsedh 2023 preparations. And secondly, I would like to thank Zoe Willis for her hard work in getting the children trained up, who we will see performing in a little while. Well, I think that's enough from me, and I'll hand over now so that we can all enjoy the spectacle and ceremony of the Gorsedh 2023. Miras.
As bras, a bhí nó chuí a sedda mar pleg? Naborth own Ninju Ray here. Okay. Dista Lannwedhenek Holiek. In Kinsley, Ashuena da, Bozarta in Lannwedhenek, in Sher Pedra, in Gwlasny, Kerno. First off, it's great to be back here again in sunny Padstow, in the county of Pidershire, in our country of Cornwall. Miraz Braz, Sylvester O'Keefe, Mayor and Dre, Agimweth and Talo Prideaux Brún, Ragaza, Dain Gans Grith Sen Meron, Entra Agus Tre. Thank you very much, Mr. O'Keefe, Mayor of the town, and to the Prideaux Brún family for letting a boy from St. Merran, or St. Merran ancestry, into your town. Itho, Lannwedhenek, Pithu and Hwethel Gwir. Nanju Mis, Ithesani in Bosvenach, Ragonus the Ray Marrow, Lethis in Rebellions Liver Pesado. Restras Gans Coethus Kerno Goth Bosvenach. Well, Haneo Cortos and Dalath, Hwelas V Kist, Crerio Ivory, Sen Pedrek, in Falls, Iga Eglos E, Henwith Sen Pedrek, Caberhan on an Oma in Lannwedhenek. So, Padstow, what's the real story? A month ago, I was in Bodmin for the service for the dead, killed in the Prayer Book Rebellion, organised by Bodmin Old Cornwall Society. That's the service, not the rebellion. Well, as we were waiting for the start, I saw the ivory relics chest of St. Petroc in the wall in their church called St. Petroc's, like the one here in Padstow. Well, Pithray Warfa O, what happened was, Eighth Cans, Eitek Mornugans, Ithesa, Mordav, Mab, Hopkin, Michtern, Kerno, O Palatius, Warbin, Gans and Vikings, Urbin, Michtern, Egbert, Wessex, Ortham, Battle, Goon, Hingston. So, in 838, Mordaf Mab Hopkin, King of Cornwall, fought together with the Vikings against King Edward of Wessex at the Battle of Hingston Down. Moigus Cans Blithen Duetha, Ahrug, Michtern, Ethelred, Wessex, Ros Tyr in Log Warborough, Langenhorn, Pennenhorth, Seviek has stock Climslond, than Abati knoweth St. Mary Tavistock. Bachanol, though. More than a century later, King Ethelred of Wessex gave land at Warstow, Lincolnhorn, Rame, Cheviot and Stoke Glimston to the new abbey of St. Mary's in Tavistock. The cheek of him! Enna, in Naucans Onan a Peswaragans, St. Petrocca's Stow was ravaged by Vikings, herewith an Anglo-Saxon chronicle. Mes, St. Pedric Bosvenach, O Gezis and Tevis. So, 981, St. Petroc's Stow was ravaged by the Vikings, according to the Anglo-Saxon chronicle. However, St. Petroc's at Bowman was left untouched. Awaza in Danrel Michtern Canute Itho Wessex annexis. Mesninzo Kerno. Lannwedhenek O sacrifices. Vagan Coetha and Vikings. And Glasgor a Gurno a Omlo and Has Hunter Cans Blethen Moy a Vista Gilder. Kins Doors Agan Coetha and Normannas. And afterwards, under the rule of King Canute, Wessex was annexed. But Cornwall was not. Padstow was in fact sacrificed to our friends the Vikings. The kingdom of Cornwall enjoyed a further half-century of independence until the coming of our friends the Normans, mostly Bretons, I've got to say. Itho, Lannwedhenek o sacrifices, mes, an obios apesius doncia, agena, u and Hwethel Gwir, po istri, a Lannwedhenek, Marnes e Awethus and Hanno Sosnik, Padstow, and Tiller Sands a St. Pedric. Ninzoev per gif, the Sangwedhenek, po Sengoron, mesemu Hwethel, ragdith Arel. So, Padstow was sacrificed. I'll say that again. So, Padstow was sacrificed. But the Obios danced on, and that is the real story, or history, of Lannwedhenek. Except they kept the English language name Padstow, the holy place of St. Petroc. Now, he wasn't too kind to St. Gwythenek or St. Goran, but that's a story for another day. Hemu dith rag Lannwedhenek, Marastafwio, Lemon, Grenny Huitha, Agam Lowenhay, and Gwella Trey and Porth in Sher Pedra, Martezan, Ol Agurno. But this is a day, or weekend, for Padstow. So thank you all, and now let us explore and celebrate the best town and port in Pidershire. Perhaps all of Cornwall. Moraz. Get everybody up. So, ilo hui sevel mar plague.
Fe gyrno cyrnias, gwythatha gon, we warn her he feswal son. Cyrno, and Haldrethel, Clwgallo and Orseth. Cyrno, and Barthdeo, Cougallo and Gorsedh. Cerno and Halsethus, Clwgallo and Orseth. Cerno and Bath Claith, Clwgallo and Orseth.
Gorsedh berth Cerno, and Gwir bin and Biz, Cerno cres ha Carenza.
Roa do tha with Hagin Gwyth Nerth Hagin Nerth Skians Hagin Skians Gothos Hagin Gothos Gothos and you Hagin Gothos and you Higara Hagagara Kara Papulans Hagin Papulans Kara do Hapap O Dada.
Unwaith Orthug Hawovanav, Us Cres.
Praise!
Duweth Orthug Hawovanav, Us Cres. Tergweth Orthug Hawovanav, Us Cres. Abarthus Cres, Dunni Tho in Rag, a the Rag and Hull, Lagus and Jaith, and Orseth Uigeris. North Colin, Whath, more Whath, Breton, and Cleather, du Rinnis Ma, the Ragon Rebu Unis, Arwith, you and Pobble Celtic, Kescarins, Dres and Bees, Aswanus in Dan, Leas Hanno, Bisqueth, Bithweth Unis, Kesuis in Spirus, in Colum, in Enev, Rebinni, Unis Benither, Agena Vin Riota, Preder and Dascorians, Agan Yaith, Agan Gonasiget, Rabo Gris, in Gree, Agan Grianzo, my Fithin Paris, Orthgano, Arthur, Catal Vethuno, Colon Orth Colon, Whath, Moor, Whath, Bridle.
Dre dda gymia sordathus rasis, ni a rei a ddonsea.
Cewn rac hath mi asw. Fruta no, loso canzas, deo re rose, the do's and bees, nias kema, diri raz, and taz keef, rapo grasses, in token I, roho da, kimaro, ma plague, and offering ma, birth and olis kerno.
Herwydd ambos du morlel, a golf bith na vith gesis, beneatha nira filal, he roho, bis gorfen biz. Kemarav on offering maz, in kof ambos du and taz, a barth and orseth kerno.
Carter Cantelis war barth, gwyw yw perthi cof ag yn cywetha, ne pre a fodias yn bys ma a the ragan, dres yn fledden nys tremenis. O thaswan the ddiw myras a'i nerth, a'i skeans, a'i garenza. Dredda mae ros gweres ddedda, o cilag a ober rag carno, a'i busy a rydd yn teilio morethec, wydd trwedec, cyffrys a ddynnu a dal gwela gilyn was a hebma, cylenwel ag a lei. Ag a henwyn yw. Molchlos, Mavis Eileen Timms. Meal, now cans, Waitek, ha tri egans, wrth Gorsedh Hale. Methevon, Rosemary June Luxton. Meal, now cans, Aitek a peswa ugans, the Lanust. Campia ag an Ertach, David John Pollard. Du Veil Hanau, the Essa. Gwithiadis and Log, Eileen Carter. Dow Veil ha peswa, Truro. Gwaz Kevrithiw, John Anthony Nicholas Snell. Meal now cans peswa ha hanta cans, Castel Dor. Ina and Halsevas, Ina Hocking. Meal now cans peswa ha peswa ugans, the Gellywick. Prydydd and Carno, Donald Michael Thomas. Meal now cans Treddick a tri ugans, the Mount Charles. Parior, John Kenwyn Cox. Dow Veil ha Dewdec, the Riscamel. Lev ha Pluven, Richard Douglas Williams. Meal now cans Waitek a Triagans, Hale. Ken Yaswek, Geoffrey Phillips. Dow Veil ha Peswar, Truro. Gwithias Ertach Bing, Geoffrey Phillips. Dow Veil ha Peswar, Truro. In within, Bertha Marthis Ellis. Meal now cans Pimtheka Peswa Ugans, Marthas Vian. Cara Gwario Khan, Paul Franklin. Meal now cans Satek ha Peswa Ugans, Bosvenach. Hadena Ball, Terence Roy Johnson. Dow Veil ha Peswa, the Druro.
Ha vinaway te war and clefama. Bos lel the gurno agan cymnethel Celtic.
In Blithen Ma then now Mornegan's Barth North. This year we have 29 new bards. Eleanor Allen, Resreith, Redruth, Ragavonsia, Honanias, Kernuic, Agonissogus, Dre Dhons, for promoting Cornish identity and culture through dance. Leif Crave, strong voice.
No one on the Kemmer, Leif Crave in Miss Fair Gorsedh Kerno.
Beck Appleby, Penzance, Ragavonsia, Gonissogath, Canuic, Ha Hononius, Dre Reith, Hag Elo, for promoting Cornish culture and identity through performance and music. Canna Moore, sea singing.
No one on the after Kemmer, Canna Moore in Miss Fair Gorsedh Kerno.
Jenny Bear. Bear. Just trying to be posh. Lannwedhenek, Mevagizi. Ragavonsia, Gonissogath, Canuic, Ha Honanius, Dreverth, for promoting Cornish culture and identity through performance. Rosen Wyn Lannwedhenek, White Rose of Padstow.
On the after Kemmer, Rosen Wyn Lannwedhenek in Miss Fair Gorsedh Kerno.
Linda Beskeen, Resreith, Redruth, Rag Ober Effen, Harag Gonissogath, Canuic, and Honanius in He Jimenez, for her extensive work for Cornish culture and identity in her community. Doronis Prest, ready geographer.
No on the after Kemmer, Doronis Prest in Miss Fair Gorsedh Kerno.
Raymond Bridgewater, Pothia Snives, Deraposians in Tavis Canuic, Hag Ober Opesia Rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Golowen Lowen, happy ray of light.
No one on the after Kemmer, Lowen in Miss Berth Gorsedh Kerno.
Anne Kerno Care, Pothia St Ives, Ragonisio, the Wanasogeth Vorik Kernuic in Arbenic Scatho Kernuic, for services to Cornish maritime culture, especially Cornish gigs. Bath Bamalus, Bard of Bamalus, place name.
No one on the after Kemmer Bar Bamalus in Miss Berth Gorsedh Kerno.
Sue Dusto, hail, hail, Duraposians in Tavis Kernuic, hag ober Opesia rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Mir Arthur, daughter of Arthur.
No one on the after Kemmer Mer Arthur in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
David Fear, Carnarvon, Kembra, Carnarvon, Wales. Duraposians in Tavis Kernuic, hag ober Opesia rak Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Cara Caithlo, lover of information.
No one on the after Kemmer Kara Kethlo in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Ivor Frankel, Porthia St Ives. Duraposians in Tavis Kernuic, hag ober Opesia Rakerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Estren Genesik, native stranger.
No one the after Kemmer Estren Genezek in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Melanie Frankel, Porthia St Ives. Duraposians in Tavis Kernuic, ha ober Opestia Ragkerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Felchia Fear, careful scyther.
No one on the after Kemmer Helfier Fear in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Keith Harrison, Eglos Verian, St Burian, Ragiober Effen o Vancia Gonisogeth Kernuic ha Honanius, for his extensive work promoting Cornish culture and identity. Artith Methagal, artist in medicine.
No one on the after Kemmer Artith Methagal in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Joanna Harvey, Dorset. Reposians in Tavis Kernuic hag ober Opesio rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Lily Corowis, daffodil.
No one on the after Kemmer Lily Corowas in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Kim Hopewell, St Austell, St Austell. Duraposians in Tavis Kernuic hag ober Opesio rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. NF Celtic, Celtic soul.
No one on the after Kemmer NF Celtic in Miss Berth Gorsedh Kerno.
Kit Lenen Davy, Camelad, Breton Vian, Cameray sur Mur, Brittany. Ragavonsians Agerno der Ilu, for the promotion of Kerno through music. Kesson, harmonious.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Hessel, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Alan McIntosh, Strasneth, Stratton. Rakiober FN, Ragonisogeth Canuic ha Honaniath in Porth Bud ha Strasneth, for his extensive work for Cornish culture and identity in Bude and Stratton, Amala and Claith, borderer of the north.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Amaler and Clay, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Nev Meek, Porthscatho, Rag Bo Scothia Tavosic ha Wonisogeth ha Tavis Canuic, being a valuable supporter of Cornish culture and language. Mab Trewithian, son of Trewithian.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Mab Trewithian, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Rita Nield, Lunust, St. Just, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesia rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Glorioris Lanust, player of St. Just.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Glorioris Lanus, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Fiona O'Clearich, Lanust, St. Just, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesia rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Dasun Ula, echo of an owl.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Dason Ula, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Howard Pesket, Penzance, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesio rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Gorsedh, servant of hope.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Gorsedh, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Tony Phillips, Melin Noeth, Penzance, New Mill, Penzance, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesia rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Gwandrias Penwith wanderer.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Wanderers Penwith, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
David Pollard, Govermelon, Millbrook, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesia rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. An the eagle.
Lowonny after Kemmer, an heir, in Miss Gorsedh Ber Turner.
Deborah Pollard, Resrith, Redruth, der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag ober opesio rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Nader March, dragonfly.
Lowonny after Kemmer, Nadermark, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Sam Rogerson, 4th Ponsmere, Grampound Road. Rag bos sgwthio telfosic a Wonisogith a Tavis Canuic for being a valuable supporter of Cornish culture and language. Tregarian, Orchid.
Nominally at the Kimmer, Tegerian in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Robin Sport, Tywyn Blustry, Newquay, Ragavonsia Gonisogith Canuith ha Honinonith der Elo, by promoting Cornish culture and identity through music. Dover Dragon, Dragon Tamer.
No one on the Aftercomer, Dover Dragon, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno. Oggy, oggy, oggy! 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 Oggy, oggy, oggy!
Carroll Street, Resreath Redruth, Der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag Ober Opesia Rakerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Canuis Anter, Cornish woman of the land.
No one on the Aftercomer, Kernoas and Tier, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Diana Trudgeon, St Austo, Der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag Ober Opesia Rakerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Macteth Randir Prigwyn, maid of the China Clay area.
No one on the Aftercomer, Macter Randir Prigwyn, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Paul Tyreman, Penzance, Der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, hag Ober Opesia Ragkerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Styria Skians Guavus, science explainer of Guavus.
No one on the Aftercomer, Styria Skians Guavas, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
The Reverend Canon Michael Warner, St Austo, Ragavonsia Gonisogith Canuic, hagi Ober Effen o Quitha dre Hevianzo Canuic, for promoting Cornish culture and his extensive work in preserving Cornish buildings. Scriffer Eglosio, writer of churches.
No one on the Aftercomer, Scriffer Ecloso, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Leanne Wilson, Cardiff, Cardiff, Der Aposians in Tavis Canuic, Rag Hag Ober Opesia Rag Kerno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall. Newlyn Stair, Nebula.
Her lowen on the Aftercomer, Newlyn Stair, in Miss Gorsedh Berth Kerno.
Hemu all.
Ag pur lowen a preit on the 3 dinar ag in question of the Gorsedh's praise. Itho in my main or vron ag antan.
Very small. Vi commence nebet kelou deus breiz. E bloaz a zeu, e miz me daou vil pe var varnugen, e loro kuit deus pen ar bet e plougon a redadek. An erger zo breiz, pum departement, a bez, breiz a bez, da zastu marron evit ar yez. Ni on dio menan digarez daono a wen an tan a me men ar vran dileuridi eus Gorsedh breiz ken evurus a lorus da vez a amman gant ur breuder a c'hoarezet deus Gorsedh skerno. On diovro zo kentost an eil ouz e gile. E kever ar yez brezonek, on emvod neus da d'ober o bern strivou, d'ober evel ve gred e bardik Gorsedh hag e Gorsedh Cambrai, vit kreñfa ar yez e trezomni. Setu, trugar edor da vea amman.
Tragares bras main arvran hag awen an tong. Miraz bras the Gorsedh breeze. Breeze da vican. Nebys Calais the Suya henna, mes lemon mi a garsa read dinarch dagan gwestiwn y ddiwrth Gorsedh Cymru. Rhian ar Arwed ha Kevin.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, a diolch bardd mawr Cernyw a chyd o'r swyddogion am y gwahoddiad i ddod yma i'ch dathliad chi ac i gynrychioli Cymru. Da ni'n mynd i ganu can gath i hanfarwoli gan Heather Jones gan y diweddar Mered, Colli Iaith. All you need to know about this song is that it's about losing language and culture, and then from the jaws of death, reviving a language and a culture. It's called Colli Iaith. D. Colli Iaith a cholli'r ddas, colli awen, colli barddas, colli coronau'r cymdeithas, ac yn ei lle cael bratiaeth y fas.
Colli tir a cholli tyddyn, colli elan a throwerin, colli cleirwen a llanwddyn, a'n gwlad i gyd dan ddŵr llun.
Colli crefydd, colli enaid, colli ffydd yr hen wroniaid, colli popeth glan a thelaid, ac yn ei lle cael baw a llaid. Colli'r hen a lawon persain, colli corain di a sbedain, colli popeth glan a thelain, ac yn ei lle cael baw a llaid. Cael yn ôl o borth marwolaeth, can a ffydd a bri yr heniaeth. Cael yn ôl o'r hen dreftadaeth, a Chymru'n cychwyn ar ei hymdaeth.
Diolch yn fawr. Da iawn. Hemo Brinton, Miraz. Well, drogu genef, mes murik setia and bar nebezuchel. Lemon if you agus tro. Sorry, set the bar a bit high here. Now it's your turn. Heil Vagon Mambro. Ilta Seville more play.
Cyfyr yn Gymru sydd fleckers ag anchorens y ffys. Ews a slander Scalos Lannwedhenek. Urban and death and dragons born down
An alswath Arthur a wydd in corf pelores yn fyw. I'w laswath Arthur a byw, micton a fyw hag a fydd.
Ninju Marrow Micton Arthur. Right. A verfall, great doors and main on board. Toma, clever, Usin lay colours po. Clever, Micton Arthur, a thuth de warth and loth, have a loth eth arta. A vinna hui, T warnotho, benither bos lel, laguno, agan manbro. Niate!
Wow.
several more plague. Unwaith, orthu quaid, a woman of whose craze? Craze! Doeth, orthu quaid, a woman of whose craze? Craze! Terquith, orthu quaid, a woman of whose craze? Craze! Do others in craze you in Orseth, in craze lemon on denen, hag in trevon rabo craze, in a thefin, arta warbarth.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. It was,
Flowers.
yeah. Yeah.
Well done, Barbara. Couldn't have done it without you.
Oh, we did.
Well done. I'm feeling very bad. Anyway, we got through it. We got through it.
Got a lot of video and pictures.
Really? Oh, Jenny, I saw Jenny. Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh my God, it must be roasted.
I know.
Oh,
It's not
would you
easy.
like me to get you a nice cold drink from the cafe?
We'll crack the hearts out of
Um,
danger first because it's very.
Well, I can't drink
You want
very
to go
much.
and sit? You want to go and sit in the car?
Well
We'll pack
done.
it.
Yes.
You've done marvellously. Can I help in any way?
Well, no, we've got our roadies, I think. Thanks. Other way round. From this end.
Oh, does it?
And then it's just got to be hooked up at the bottom. Oh, good. I must go and find some shade.
Yes.
Oh.